Namaste traders. Welcome back to the channel. In today's pre-market prediction analysis, we'll decode the global cues, check how they are likely to impact Nifty, and understand why today might be a flat and range-bound session. Let's jump directly into the global markets. Global markets breakdown. US markets flat negative. US 30 is down 0.41%, showing mild weakness. This isn't heavy selling, but it clearly shows that the US market is taking a pause after recent volatility. When US moves flat negative, Nifty generally opens cautiously, and aggressive upside becomes limited. Asian markets mixed but slightly positive. Asian indices are trading around 0.21% positive, which is extremely flat. This indicates no strong bullish momentum coming from Asia, but also no significant risk-off mood. So Asia is not giving a push. It's simply neutral to slightly supportive. European markets moderately negative. Europe closed minus 0.51%, showing clear weakness. This contributes more weight to the bearish side compared to Asia. Eurozone selling usually influences Nifty sentiment the next morning, and that may prevent a strong gap up. Currency or commodities impact. USD INR stable but slightly positive. USD INR is up by 0.05%. Which is extremely flat. A stable rupee means FIIs won't face currency pressure. So, currency is neither bullish nor bearish, just neutral. Crude oil JOR 0.59% positive. Crude being slightly positive can be a mild negative for Indian markets because high crude increases import costs. But since the move is not big, the impact will remain limited. Summary of global cues. So overall, US is flat negative. Europe is negative. Asia is flat positive. USD INR stable. Crude mildly positive. This combination tells us one thing: no strong bullish trigger, no strong bearish trigger. Market is likely to stay range bound. Nifty prediction for today. Opening expectation: Nifty may open flat to slightly negative, because global cues are not giving directional clarity. Intraday expectation: range bound day. Here's what we can expect from the market today. Momentum is missing. Buyers and sellers are balanced. Big trending moves are unlikely unless major news hits. Today, Nifty is expected to trade within a sideways range for most part of the session. Trading approach for range-bound day. If the market enters a consolidation structure, avoid chasing breakouts. Avoid aggressive options buying. Focus more on reversal trades near clear support and resistance zones. Look for 5-10-minute candle confirmation before entering. Strategic levels to watch. On a range-bound day, two things matter. Identify the upper boundary, resistance zone. Identify the lower boundary, support zone. Price will keep oscillating between these pockets until a breakout happens. Overall market sentiment. Nifty sentiment for today: flat to negative, low momentum. Short range scalping opportunities. Avoid high risk trades. Today is perfect for disciplined traders, not for thrill seekers. Final conclusion. So that's the complete Nifty pre-market prediction based on all global cues. If you like this style of detailed morning analysis, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment saying, Nifty ready.